friends, how are you? So today I'm gonna tell you about how to become a freelancer in demand on Upwork. Okay, so previously what we had discussed is the part of Upwork from where you have to get started, and then I told you about building a portfolio, and we discussed multiple profiles related to the marketing domain and the digital agency where you can grow as a freelancer and utilize your resources to become top rated on Upwork. I also told you about how you can develop a good portfolio and how you can project your skills on Upwork and what is the best way to get high paying clients on Upwork. So all these parts have been previously discussed, and now we'll proceed further. Before proceeding, I would like to share with you an image of the movie Lion King. You must have all watched it. So, just the message which I want to deliver to all of you from this one is that on Upwork, you have to project your skills at a magnified manner, and you have to elaborate every skill of yours on Upwork so that you can gain high paying clients. Because usually what happens is people are not writing up about their skills and how they can be beneficial to their hirers, and this is the reason that they are not getting good jobs on Upwork. But if you project your skills in a proper manner, in a stepwise manner, and you can optimize your profile in a good way, so the clients will be keening and looking forward to stay connected with you, and they would like to be more inquisitive about what you can help and how you can help them grow their businesses. So this is why it's very important to project yourself in a good way on Upwork, and I recommend all of you to write a good profile. And whenever you are doing a startup, you have to have good samples or regarding the skills whatever you have, irrespective of the domain. You have to have good samples of your work to showcase to your clients. Okay, so just refreshing your memory a bit, we started off with our first startup account, and then I told you about skilled, global, and in demand Upwork's top 10 skills in technology, marketing, and customer service. And so, mainly, I focused in my previous video about the customer connection, and I told you about social media marketing, lead generation, Facebook, SEO, B2B marketing, Instagram marketing strategy, social media management, and email marketing and marketing research. And now today my focus will be more on, it's all about relationships, where I will be telling you about top 10 customer services skills that will help you to grow on Upwork. Okay, so first thing is that every whether it is a company or a business, it needs customer service support because they need it for customer satisfaction and to take feedback of their customers. And this is really important when you are projecting your skill on Upwork. If you have good communication skills, I really recommend you to go for customer service and customer support, which are slightly different from each other, but you can write both of them in your profile. The third thing is email communication. Email communication mainly is for those who are experts in cold email. First, you have to have an idea of what type of product you are showcasing yourself on the market, and then you have to find appropriate data for communication, just as like the previous clients of the company, and then you have to send emails according to clients requirements so that you can lead generate for your companies. And then we have phone support. Phone support is usually for companies who are requiring people to contact their customers and take their feedback from them via phone. And the fifth is the email support. Again, is the same thing. You have to contact your customers and take feedback through emails, and you need to be 24 hours active for this domain, so that you can register complaint, or you can do an hourly shift for your customers depending on their requirements. Okay, so moving forward, we have communication ethic, online chat support. Communication, you have to obviously grow as an either on Upwork or as a separate individual. You have to be good in communication if you want to get good leads. So this is very important for each one of you to develop good communication skills with your clients. And then we have the online chat support, which is usually available. You must have seen on websites they have an option for online chat support. So companies who want to give this domain to freelancers, they usually outsource their work, and they ask freelancers who have good reputation to be able to communicate with their clients through online chat support. And then we have answering product questions, which is really important, and for that you have to be vigorous, and you have to have some information on how the company is working to answer their product questions, and the efficacy of the products which they are selling, so that the clients can be very inquisitive sometimes, and you have to satisfy them as much as possible. And then we have the data entry, which is very common. In data entry, there are many companies who are shipping their products or who are taking orders, and they want their data to be entered in the system, and this is why they hire data entry individuals, so that all their details can be included in the separate files. Okay, and then lastly we have administrative support system. In administrative support system, you have to take part in the company's administration, and you have to regulate it and communicate it effectively, whether it be with employees, whether it be with their clients. So all this is about relationships on Upwork. So here I have shown you a profile with a top rated plus badge and a 100% job success rate in online business management, virtual assistants, and customer service professional. And the person here is charging $45 per hour for their services, which includes innovative and overcoming challenges, learning new skills, and encouraging growth in people around them. And they have mentioned that in their skills that they have outstanding customer service, attention to detail, meticulous editing, and great communication, and they are good at managing teams, and they have a professional voice, excellent written and verbal communication skills, flexible, and they are a quick learner. And ahead they have told about their problem solving capacity and their proficiency with Shopify, Wix, Square Space, Etsy, Poshmark, eBay, and Amazon. So when you are dealing with customer support, you have to be good with some or all of these platforms, because these are the ones from which the customers get their feedback, and so mostly the customer service professionals are required to communicate with them. And then we have familiarity with a Microsoft Office suite, which is also really important, and familiarity with Canva and Adobe Spark is a plus point, but all this is not mandatory, but you must have at least some of these skills to get high paying jobs on Upwork. And then we have that the client wants to also know about how good the person is in facing a high challenging situation. So you have to tell about your capabilities, like if you are capable of event planning, or being a team player, or web researching, or interpreting input from multiple sources, and web research, Pinterest code, all these things will contribute to your profile. But the thing is that people mostly they project things on Upwork that they are not capable to do, but it should not be that way. In this case, you have to be vigilant about your progress, but you don't have to lie about yourself. You have to mention those capabilities of yourself which you are able to do, and you have to learn new skill at the same time when you are working on Upwork, so that you can add up your skills gradually and grow on Upwork. So you have to also tell about whenever you are available, your languages, and if you're verified or not. This blue tick is showing that you are verified on Upwork, and this also really helps in giving a good scale and scope to your profile. And you have to be good at working with clients, especially those who are international clients. And you have, if you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel and keep watching real world education, because ahead I will be telling you more about different domains and how you can learn and grow in the world of online education. Thank you.